This is the Harbor Freight Earthquake 12-volt lithium power ratchet. So I've had for several months now, and I'm very happy with it. I thought I'd just sort of run through some of it. So this is how I bought it. It comes in a really nice case. Comes with a charger. This is the ratchet. It only actually came with one battery. I bought an extra when I bought the unit, just so I wouldn't wind up with waiting to charge. But it's nice that the case makes provision for things that you're going to have in here. The extra battery. There's some little nibs and bobs and stuff, so I guess you can use it for that. The batteries last surprisingly long. I'll admit I'm not using it 80 hours a day or anything, but I just wind up, I charge a battery up maybe once a week. So this is it. The battery just slides right in, no problems. And this is the unit. And one of the nice things about this is that the head is fairly small. And here's a standard Craftsman 3/8 ratchet. You can see it's only maybe half an inch thicker than that. And it's a bit wider, but not bad. So the real nice thing is, much as when you're being lazy and using a power ratchet, this thing gets into pretty small spaces. So this is what I was doing the other day with it. This is my Rover P6, and I needed to take this front bumper off. So if you look in there, up tucked away into that light, there's a bolt in there. And yeah, you can get a ratchet on it. The problem is, you can't swing the ratchet once it's on. So, to take this off with a standard ratchet set, an incredible pain. But with this, there was just enough, this is going forward of course, there was just enough room to swing it one click. And after that, out it comes. No problems. Turn what was going to be a real bear of a job into an easy one. And of course, as Haynes says, installation is a result of removal. And I tell you, I really appreciated that, because that's a 3/8 fine thread bolt. It's about 1.5 inches long, of course, because it's hard to get to. So it really works through that. So I was a little skeptical at first. Hey, battery operated, blah, blah. And I'm an old guy. Batteries used to wear out of my toys in about 5 seconds. So batteries are really good. It says it has 50 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know. Somewhere right around there. But what I found is, I've got an air ratchet, one of these, as I've had for years, and works really good, and it's got a lot more torque. The problem is, when you start dealing with things that are like 5/16 bolts and stuff like that, it's really easy to break things. This, till you get to really small things, doesn't break things. And it's still got a ratchet function, so when you get into something bigger or rusty, you just get it on there, and you got plenty of leverage. You turn it a couple of clicks, that breaks it free, and then on with the power. And the other good thing is that the handle is variable speed, so you can judge yourself. So bottom line, very happy. I've had it for, let's say, 2 or 3 months now. I've been working on the Rover. I find that I use it all the time. My air one, hardly ever use it, because you got to go turn the compressor on, wait for the tank to build up, blah blah. This thing's always just right here, 2 batteries, so I'm never out of power. Just really nice. And I've got it with how Harbor Freight is. You get to just work the coupons. I think I paid about $100 for this, and the extra battery was another $25, I think. And because I know the lithium batteries are not inexpensive, but it's been a really good tool. Very happy.